Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today it's jerk chicken, soft and tender chicken that falls off the bone. So stay tuned to see how we do this. Welcome back, everyone. All right, so we have 2 leg quarters with the skin on. We cut the joints that the chicken can cook thoroughly through easily. We're gonna poke some hole that the seasoning can go down into the meat. Then we sprinkle with black pepper and salt. We flip it and do the same. And just rub in all of that salt and black pepper into your chicken. And then we move in with the jerk seasoning. Rub it all over the chicken and into the holes that we made. You can use Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, or you can make your own at home. I make a quick and easy one, so click the link above to learn how to make your homemade jerk seasoning. It's best to marinate overnight, but if you do not have enough time, 4 hours is good. On medium flames, flip out your duchy, your cast iron, or your skillet. This is how my chicken looks after it has been marinating overnight. Once your pot is hot, go in with your oil. I'm using 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Go ahead and sear your chicken legs down on the skin for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you flip and sear it for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Why do we do this? We do this to trap all the juices in the chicken, that it's moist and tender. Searing also adds to that jerk charred look. We cover and bake our chicken for 1 hour at 350 degrees and then 10 minutes at 400 degrees. We cover to ensure that it doesn't dry out. While that's baking, let's work on something to baste our chicken with. We're gonna throw in some water, some jerk seasoning, and some rum. Yes, and this is going to keep our chicken moist and still give it flavor. Mix this together and then just bring it to a simmer. Take it off and then use it to baste your chicken every 15 minutes. Yes. I'm going to take some time and turn it into a little brush. Take some of that jerk base that we just made and just drip it all over the chicken. Also, brush on some of that delicious pan juice over the chicken. After 30 minutes, flip that chicken over that it can bake evenly on both sides. Baste your chicken and continue to baste every 15 minutes. The remaining 40 minutes we're going to bake uncovered. And then when you only have 10 minutes left, we raise the heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The chicken can look exactly like this, beautiful, and have that nice charred look, like it's coming from a jerk pit. But it's still going to be moist and tender, not chewy. Oh Lord.